Let's make some fruity, super crunchy, super tasty and super healthy granola with no added sugars, because we're going to be using some natural sweeteners. I have my fruits here, an apple and a pear. You can use any fruit of your choice. I'm cutting that into smaller sizes because we are going to be grating it. Now when you have cut it up into smaller sizes, you're going to deseed them before you go ahead and grate them. Don't mind the way it is looking, it's just apple and pear doing its normal browning when exposed to air, okay? When you're done grating that, transfer it onto a bowl. We're going to add a little bit of water and then steam this until it becomes sticky and has released its natural sugar, okay? Now when that is steaming, we're going to go ahead to mix our dry ingredients. Here I have 370 grams of oats. I'm just going to transfer that to a bowl. Next we're going to go in with a half cup of cashew nut, following it a quarter cup of almond nuts and half cup of coconut flakes. You can add in dried fruit if you like. I'm not a fan of it, so I'm not going to include that. Next I'm going in with a dash of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of cold pressed coconut oil and our steamed fruit. Now you're going to mix all of that together, and I added in a dash of vanilla flavor. I like mine to have that vanilla-ish flavor to it, okay? Now mix all of that onto well combined. See how it's coming together. I like the color and this smells absolutely good. Now we're going to transfer that onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and we're going to be baking this at 150 degrees centigrade for 20 to 30 minutes, okay? So while that is baking, I'm checking in on the yogurt I made the day before. I just want to flavor it up a little bit, then put it back in the refrigerator. Now our granola is ready, looking all nice and crunchy. I made 2 batches and I'm trying to combine them together before transferring it to my jar. You guys, this tasted so good. It's super tasty, super crunchy, super healthy. You are really going to enjoy it. I really hope you give this recipe a try, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Like this video as well while waiting for other recipes.